Hi, you're watching Professor Plays, and I'm continuing my island adventure. I just built the nuclear store down here. Wasn't really planning on using nuclear power, but then it occurred to me that this is where the concrete is made, and I need that for the rocket silo. So I figured I might as well build it. I may use nuclear power, I don't know. But anyway, it's making concrete, which goes in there. Those are stone brick, which go in there. None of the nuclear stuff is in there yet. That's fine. I just wanted it really for the concrete. And the research completed for these two logistic chests, the passive provider chest and the storage chest. So I put the blueprint back on top of there and pasted it down. So now these chests can be built. I don't have all the ingredients going in there yet. I'm missing advanced circuits. Let's get some advanced circuits going in here. You don't look right. What was was there something hitting? Why did I move this? Maybe there was something interfering there. Don't remember, honestly. Anyway, this needs to be advanced circuits here. Like that. So there's green and red circuits. Iron plate, steel, stone, iron plate. Yeah, that should be correct. That will start making the other logistic chests. Oh, can I make roboports now? I must be able to, right? Yeah, I can make flying robot frames. So, let's see. This door makes roboports. Let's hook that up. There comes the advanced circuits. Oh, I mean, yeah, well, we already had, yeah, right. We already had green. Now we're getting red circuits. Okay, now we'll start making roboports. Roboports means we can make robots. Let's see, where do I want to build robots? I need batteries for robots. I'm not making batteries, am I? Okay, let's make some batteries. Do I want to put these up here or down here? Yeah, it's kind of crowded down there. Of course, I'm going to put science up here, too. That's going to be crowded up there, isn't it? What do you need? Batteries. Batteries you need. Batteries. Iron, copper, and sulfuric acid. And you need iron, sulfur, and water. Okay, I need to make sulfuric acid, don't I? Yes, okay, let's make sulfuric acid. There's sulfur, let's put it here. Sulfuric acid. Like that, maybe? Sure. That'll work. I need a couple more chemical plants. I may not need the whole thing, but let's build it. Oh, iron plate's weak. Oh, that's only one belt. Ah, that's why it's weak. Let's get another belt up here. I think there's only 2 belts of iron plate being fed into the bus, but let's get some more up here anyway. Like that. That'll get some more up there. Okay, and that's what I want here. I want those chests. Oh, I have circuits there now. Wait, what are you missing? You're missing steel chests. What are you missing? You're not missing anything. No network in... Oh, you're connected to the network. Oh. I didn't realize that I'd done that. So what's going on here, this store is making stuff, and this makes steel chests, this machine does. And the steel chests are being placed into this chest. And then there's an inserter that's supposed to remove those steel chests and put them onto this conveyor. And they go up here and they're picked up and used by these machines to make these chests with different colors. Now this inserter right here is not picking up steel chests, even though there's some in there. And if you hover over it and look on that window on the right, it says disabled by control behavior. I actually did not remember that I did this. It's kind of hard to see, but there's a red light right there I'm pointing at. This, and there's a little yellow light right there. This inserter is connected to the network. And it says there's no network in range. I guess it's been so long I've forgotten that I did that. Maybe I should remove that connection. So what it's complaining about is there's no roboport. If I put a roboport here, it would be happy, and then it would start putting steel chests out onto this belt. Let's verify that I'm telling you the correct thing here. Oh, this has to be a logistic chest. Yeah, the number of steel chests in there needed to be accessible, needed to be able to be read by this network. That's how this was programmed. This inserter was programmed. And so now that it's in a logistic chest, the network knows how many steel chests are in the network, and now this inserter can be enabled. It's enabled whenever there's more than 50 steel chests in the network. Okay, I wonder if I should... Well, I'll leave it like it is. If you're wondering why it's not putting your steel chests out into the onto the belt, that's why. It has to have a roboport. Now you could remove that programming. Just put a regular blue inserter there, and it would always put them out onto the network. Okay, speaking of network, that means I can make robots now. So let's see, I've got sulfuric acid. I need batteries. Oh, batteries, what do you need? Batteries you need. Batteries you need. Iron plate, copper plate, sulfuric acid. Yes, okay, give me this. Batteries. Like that. Okay. And you need water. And here is water right here. There's water. You need iron plate and sulfur. Iron plate. Wait, where's sulfur? Sulfur's here. Like this. Okay, that's a pipe in there like that. I don't know if I'll even need all those. I'll put that pipe in there. Iron plate and sulfur. There's sulfur. Come here, iron plate. Iron plate goes here. Like this. There's iron plate and sulfur. Okay, and sulfuric acid comes out here and needs to go over here in order to make batteries. Oh, I need chemical acid. You are down here. Not far. Right here, chemical plants. What else do I need? It's okay. this. I'll just build half again. Let's see, I need to get acid here. There's acid. You need some power. Research is blinking. Did I miss somebody? Yeah, there we go. Okay, and belt. Okay, and then you need some inserters. Iron plate, copper plate. Copper plate top belt, please. There's the top belt. Goes like that. Iron plate top belt, please. Goes like that. There's iron plate, copper plate. And batteries go where? Batteries go above sulfur. And that's batteries here. Oops, got knocked off course. Like that, that's batteries. And I see some batteries. Okay. I have circuits, I have batteries, lubricant. Did I bring that up on the bus? Green circuits, iron plate, and steel. I have everything. If I brought lubricant up here, don't remember. Lubricant is made in the refinery. I need advanced oil processing. You do not have advanced oil processing, so the answer is no, I'm not making lubricant. Let's see. Give me a few more pipe, because I'm going to need to run a bunch of pipe up here. Pipe is over here. Do I need anything else? I think that's all I need to make robots. Let's see, where am I going? I'm going over here to the refinery. Oh, did I get advanced oil processing research done? I must have. So the recipes can be updated now with advanced oil processing. If you click on that and then click on change recipe, the little gear icon, yeah. So now you can do advanced oil processing. Well, I should leave that open while we can look at it there. So here's the one we had, basic oil processing. There's one input, crude oil, one output, petroleum gas. With advanced oil processing, you need water input and crude oil, and you get 3 items out. You get heavy oil, light oil, and petroleum gas. So as soon as you put the recipe in there for advanced oil processing, you see there's a water icon right there. So this needs water, and there's 3 outputs now. This is heavy oil, this is light oil, and petroleum gas is the same place as it was before, it doesn't move. So what I do is I hook up 3 machines, and I give them advanced oil processing recipe. And that's enough to make lubricant that's needed to create robots. Like that, 1, 2, 3, this one down here. And then once I have robots, they can do all this plumbing. So that is heavy oil. There is light oil, and then there's storage tanks for each of the fluids. So, and the fluid, the output fluids are all connected together. So petroleum gas is the same as it was. This is heavy oil. It goes into the tanks down here. Gonna need some more of those. And who am I missing? Petroleum gas goes there. Light oil right here. This is light oil. I need a pump. I need some more tanks, and I need a pump. That's probably pretty close, isn't it? Can I make a couple tanks, or do I need to go over there and get them? I can make a couple. Can I make a pump? I can make a pump. Aha! I don't need to go anywhere. Factorio cat has arrived. So that goes there. Hi, Factorio cat. Uh-huh. Oh, ow, ow, ow! Hooks in the shoulder. You know what? Those hooks are sharp. Let's see, what is this? This is light oil. And that's light, okay, that's light oil going up there. I don't need that right now. I just need, oh, I know what I need. Where is my blueprint for oil processing? Because I need to upgrade all the recipes. Like this. No, let's line it up correctly. Like this. There we go. Now all the recipes got updated. Ah, there we go. That's what I want. I want lubricant. So this goes there. And this goes... Oh, you can't really see that, can you? There's a pole in the way. Oh, and I need some tanks. I can make one. Like that. And advanced oil processing must have water as an input, and that's here. Do I have a pump? Do I have an offshore pump? Can never see that darn thing. There it is. And there's not a place to put an offshore pump. Right to there. That's unfortunate. Okay, we'll put one there. You're for water, right? Yep. And I don't know why... Oh, your water going over there. Okay. That's fine. There's water. Now they're working again. The flame is back because there's water. And again, these four are working. These are not. There's no water down there. And you have some heavy oil, and you are all connected together. And heavy oil is going in there, and it's going into this chemical plant, and it's making lubricant. Okay, so that's what's needed to make robots. I need to get that over here. That lubricant needs to go onto the bus. Why is it going down this way? Where are you going anyway? That looks... Yeah, that was lubricant. What are you doing? Okay, that was an old design, apparently. It doesn't need to go there anymore. Don't be afraid to change my blueprints. You need to go up there onto the bus. So you actually can go over here. Like this. Oh, I thought I had one of those. I thought I made a pump. Like that, you need some power. Alright, there's lubricant. Okay, so you have to go... You have to go onto the fluid bus. There's the lubricant placeholder right there. So you need to go above petroleum gas. There's room to run you to the left of petroleum gas. Yes. Or above petroleum gas. Okay, so let's do that. Let's go here. Right here. This is fine. Just needs to go up out of the way. Did I say above petroleum? Yeah, I said above petroleum gas, right? Okay, let's go there. And above petroleum gas over there is fine. Probably should have run that. Probably should have just let that go offset. Like that. They don't need to be run side by side. Let them go like this. And then over here, oops, wrong button. And then over here, wrong button again. We can go down this way. We can go down here. This is petroleum gas right here. Not petroleum gas, lubricant. Lubricant goes right to there. And there's lubricant there. And there. There's lubricant on the bus. Okay, and I want to make robots. I didn't put this down there. No, okay, so let's go here. Like that. Circuits, batteries, lubricant, circuits, iron plate, steel. I have all those things. Okay, excellent. Power. This also makes laser turrets, which I've not researched. I'm not going to need those because we own this island. If you missed the earlier episodes, I evicted all the bugs. Okay, this is lubricant here. Oops. Like that. And like that. So there's lubricant. Okay, I need circuits here. Circuits, where's that? This down here. So I'm building robots. If you're new to Factorio, robots can build things. It's a huge productivity increase. I went a little too far with that. When you get robots. Still went too far. Right here. Like that. Okay, iron plate. Iron plate. I ran out of undergrounds. I should bump up that limit on that chest. Oh, I did. I did bump it up. Oh, I could use more machines too while I'm here. And some more medium electric poles. Okay, where was I? Somewhere over here. Let's see, I've got all kinds of stuff that needs to be hooked up. So this is red and green circuits here. Like that. Like that. Need a machine there. Need a machine there. Oh, maybe I can hand crank. Let's see. Am I making those robo parts now? Did I set the recipe or in here? Recipe. Yes, there's some in the chest. Give me some robo parts. Let's see. We can put you here. Robo parts. And I have one there. Okay, and then we have one there. We could put one up here where robots are made. Like this. You can put robots directly into the robo port. Like that. As soon as I get the rest of this built, you can. Like that. Batteries. Batteries are here. Like that. And we don't need to go up there. We don't need to make laser turrets in this playthrough. And you are for outputting flying robot frames. Okay, I can wait on that. What else do I need? Of that. You have lubricant in you? Yes, you do. You are connected up there? Yes, you are. Okay, you are missing some stuff here. I need iron plate and steel. Okay. Oh, I just needed undergrounds. I ran out in the middle. That goes there. That goes there. That goes there. And then this, there's a gap right there. Like this. Like that. Steel. Steel is here. Okay, steel. Like that. There is steel. You need to go this way. Don't need to go up there. Those are for laser turrets. Don't need those. Don't need these. Don't need that. Deleted the power, didn't I? Do need power. Don't need that. Need these. Need these. Need you. Making robot frames. Okay, I need another roboport. So that one is in place up there. This one is in place down here. I need to connect these two. There we go. This will connect over here somewhere. Like that. Needs power. Oops, are you still connected? Power? Yes. Get you out of the way here. There you go. All right, robots, I see them flying. There they are. So the robots are built up there. The reason I connected these top to bottom. Robots are built up there, and the supplies and stuff are down here. So now the robots are going to go around and look for these chests, primarily the red chests. And they're going to take stuff out of the red chest and go around and build the rest of the base. This red chest here is blinking because there's no roboport. But they're going to place a roboport because they have access to those. There you go. And they have access to red chests. So they'll go around and build all those, and the yellow ones. There they go right now, right on cue. Good job. They're going to place the chests around there. They're going to put the red chest. What I need to do now is I need to grab some red chests. And I need to go around where all these places where I put steel chests, I need to put red chests in there because the bots won't do that. I could do an upgrade planner and tell them to do it, but I generally just do it because they're busy doing other stuff. Oh, I erased something. There, like that. Let's see, did I miss anybody? No, I think I got them all. And over here. Yeah, you could create an upgrade planner that said upgrade steel chests to the red chests. And the bots would get to it eventually. But they're generally pretty busy when you first get them. So I just go around and help them out a little. Doesn't take long. Like that. And I'm just checking to see if I missed any. Now robots, when they start flying around like that, let's see, do I have any of these? No. They will use a bit of power. I'm going to put storage chests here instead of those iron chests. So they might zap your power a bit, but all that means right now at this point is that the Factorio will run slower. Yeah, we're okay. And let's see, do I have any more steel chests anywhere? I'm looking for steel chests that I need to replace. I don't see any. Steel chests here? No. You're missing a roboport. And then in the map view, you can enable the logistic network coverage, and you can see where you have roboports. You want to make sure the orange, well, if you want them all to be part of the same network, you want to make sure the orange parts are all touching. You can see there's no roboport coverage up here. So I'm going to go around and put some roboports up here so that the bots can continue building. You see the dotted yellow line. You just want to make sure you're connected to at least one other roboport. And that'll be, and you have to give it power, of course. So let's see, let's go here with this. And don't forget these builds are kind of tall, so you need to go up here too. Let's go like this. Right there. Okay, you're connected to power. And let's go over here. How far over this way will you stretch? You'll go in here, right? That's fine. Like that. And then over here. You will go almost all the way. Right in there's fine. Okay. And then the refinery, I'd like to get the roboport network to go all the way over to the refinery so they can build, so they can do all the plumbing. Right there. I'm looking on the mini-map. It's down here somewhere. The refinery is. There we go. I can see it now. You have to be over, will you connect over there? No, you have to be over here somewhere. Okay, that's fine. Give you some power. And then over here, how far will you stretch? Okay, pretty good. Let's go there. And I can remove that one there. Not sure where I want them. That's all in the build area. Let's go down this way. Get all this. Oh, there's one right there. Let's use the one that's blueprinted in. There might be some logistic chests in that blueprint that required that other one to be up there, that other roboport. I see some logistic chests, so I might need to put one up here if there's any. Are there any logistic chests up here? I don't see any. All right, well, let's see if that does it. So all this is under build area now. If I go to the map view, you can see all the refinery and all that nasty plumbing is in the build area of the robots. So as long as I remember to put pipe in a logistic chest, I did. So these are red chests. The bots can grab those pipes, and they'll go down there and do all that plumbing. They'd also build the rail yard there. If I put roboports down here. Now this, I mentioned it already, but I'll probably zap the power here at some point. That's all right. Do I have roboports in this? I do have roboports blueprinted in here. Let's use the blueprinted roboports. They're already in the rail yard here. Let's use those. And try not to get run over by a train. Like that. Does that cover the entire thing? No. How far down here will you go? Not all the way. No, you have to be... You really should be down here. Like that. We'll give you some power. And maybe I need one up here. Yeah, that's okay, I guess. So that should get the rail yard built. All that should get built. All that should be built. And I will I'll monitor. Well, let's monitor power while I'm thinking about it. Yeah, it's marginal, but it's okay. If I may just win the game just by using steam engines for power. Oh, I've got room to expand. If I have enough coal, that's not enough coal to run another full line, I don't think, but I could put another coal mine, couldn't I? Not there, I couldn't. Oh, I bring coal in by train, aren't I? Do we have a coal train? Yes, we do. So I could put another. Electric generation plant up here using coal, and that would probably fix the problem. Maybe I'll do that off camera. So that'll do it for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please click on that thumbs up button. I'd appreciate it very much. Take care. Have fun playing, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.